fast-paced world, innovation is the name of the game, and at the heart of this revolution are robots. From the assembly lines of manufacturing to the halls of advanced healthcare, robots are reshaping our lives in ways we could only imagine. In healthcare, they're the hands that save lives, making surgeries more precise and recovery times shorter. In education, they're the patient tutors that engage young minds, making learning a delightful experience. In everyday life, they're the companions and caregivers for those who need it most, offering independence and dignity. And in the world of art, they're pushing the boundaries of creativity, generating artworks that challenge our perceptions. But it's not just about function, it's also about fun. Robotics competitions inspire young minds to dream, design, and compete. Robotics competitions, workshops, and educational programs are nurturing the talents of the future. They're empowering young minds, sparking curiosity, and fostering critical thinking. From coding to mechanical engineering, robotics is shaping the skill sets of tomorrow's innovators. And these young talents aren't just students, they're future engineers, scientists, and visionaries. Through hands-on experience, they're learning problem-solving, teamwork, and creative thinking. As we explore further, we'll witness how robotics is transforming individuals into the leaders of technological advancement. So stay tuned to witness the incredible journeys of these talented individuals, driven by their passion for robotics.